Hi people, this is Nettie. Okay, I'm gonna make a short video of the next planting I'm doing. Here I'm gonna grow around 12. Yes, around 12 how you call it, peppers. They are from three colors. I thought that I put only how you call it, 6. I didn't know I put so much. So I had little cups, but the little cups I'm gonna use it for something else because it's not gonna fit all that in 2 little cups. So I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. As how you call it, I learned something from the rustic garden. And it's true. He's showing that before you plant your seed, water them good. Okay? And that's what I did. Water them good. Why? Because when you put the water while they drown, I call it dried, they're gonna fly all over the place and they get underground. And I had that problem. I didn't know why they were going underground, but now I know. So this is how I'm gonna do it, and I'll show you in a minute. Well, the seeds are here, and now I'm gonna show you how you put your. I put it 24 hours underwater, and now I'm gonna plant it here, right about here. All now I have to do is put a little layer of dirt and water it through the bottom when they start getting dry. So let me show you the other thing. Well, here the last thing is the how you call it, the cucumbers. I'm just gonna stick them in there, and that should work either way how you put them. You know, they'll find their way up. And also this one, don't stay stuck. And this one, you know, you just stick it in there, and that's about it. So this is the short video that I was planning to make. As soon as these starts showing something, I will show you like this, and like this is going on. You know, the corianders, they're still growing, they're looking good. So if you could see, there goes a new, right there, I don't know if you could see it, there goes a new plant growing. The dead one, the old one died. I cleaned them out, and now the new one is coming out. So that'll be all for now. God bless you all. Until next time.